Myth number 4. Predicting the answer before listening is always a great idea. It makes the test easier. Many beginners think,
Before the audio starts, I should guess the exact answer and wait for it to confirm. That's smart and saves time.
truth, half right, half wrong. This technique can help or hurt you badly, depending on how you do it. Wrong way, super common mistake. Avoid this. You predict only one possible answer and become super confident about it. Then you stop listening carefully and just wait for your guess to appear. But IELTS loves tricks. The speaker might say something different, add details, or correct themselves. You miss the real answer because you're too focused on your prediction. Official prep from IDP and British Council warns, don't pre-decide one answer too strongly. It makes you ignore the actual audio. For example, question, the workshop starts at. Before you listen, maybe you quickly predict 9 a.m. That's standard for morning sessions. Then the speaker says,
We usually start at 9, but this time, because of traffic, it's 9:30.
correct, 9:30 or 9:30. So if you keep remembering 9 or 9 a.m., it's clearly wrong. This costs 4 marks, easily. So, how should we predict the answer? The right way is predict at least 3 possible answers or types, e.g., a time like morning 9 a.m., 10 o'clock. This warms up your brain without locking you to one idea. You stay flexible and ready for surprises. But this needs quick thinking and practice. My suggestion is, start slow in practice tests. Use the 20-30 seconds before each part to underline keywords and think of 2-3 possible ideas, not just one. Example, for cost, predict cheap, expensive, $20, free, then listen openly. Always keep listening fully. Your prediction is just a guide, not the final answer. Conclusion, prediction is powerful, but only when you don't bet everything on one guess.